Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Narrator voice assistant on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do, a couple different ways for today's tutorial, would be to open up the search menu, type in Narrator. Best match should come back with Narrator. So go ahead and open that up. You can select the turn off narrator button right here. That's the easiest way. However, if you'd already checkmarked don't show again, that won't give you that option, obviously. So that'd be the easiest way to turn it off. If you end up in narrator, you can select the settings button. And then where it says narrator, you can just toggle it to the off position, and that will turn off the narrator. And you can also turn off the keyboard shortcut for the narrator as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.